Oh, what do you want maybe? Do you want her to give you one strike? If you not want that, you must wake up. And now, I want you repeat after me. I have one water. I have one water in my hand. I have one water in my hand. I like water because water is so important for our body. Because water is so important for our body. Okay, now I wanna teaching you how about to drink this. Okay, if you want to drink this, you can take one pet, and you put here. After you put here, like this, like this, and then you must sit like this. After that, after you sit, don't forget to say Bismillah, like this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, like that. Become. This is all for me. The next is Mr. Dennis. Dennis, where's him? Okay, so for me, I'm class David said, we are break from. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dennis, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everybody. I'm gonna teach you about vocabulary. That is one vocabulary. This is banana. You repeat after me. Banana. Banana. Louder.